Good morning, Internet. My name is Katherine. This is Car Stuff with Katherine. We're about to do some car stuff. The car stuff we're doing today is Car Show on Eastern. Haven't been back here in a while, and the show has gotten ginormous. This is a lot different than my little down-home neighborhood car show. I mean, they've filled up this entire lot and then some. It's kind of cool to see what they've grown. So let's go see what's here. And a bunch of new Supras.
It's cool. These guys brought their Beamers.
Yeah. Beamers are welcome. What is happening?
It's fantastic.
It's awesome. I don't understand it, but it's amazing. Oh, good. Awesome. Good God. Oh, it's so good. It's so much tire.
I'd put that on my truck, but I can't afford to do what I want to do with tires.
No, you're going to boil those off?
No, I'm going to buy truckloads of used tires.
There you go. There you go. Well, that is just a fantastic example of that car. Love the Charger. Corvette has changed just a little bit over the years. Just a little bit. I love these Datsuns. They look so spunky.
They're cool. A lot of experience shoved in the back of one of those.
Right, your mom had one of these.
Just like this one. Whatever.
Only hers was like the root beer color, right?
Yeah. So sometimes it's either Amy or I.
Seriously?
That's how we got places.
Your mom was rad.
Yeah.
I'm calling coolest thing here.
I don't know.
It's pretty cool. How cool is an SVO that even totally busted? It's freaking awesome. Wow. Yes. So I think I'm definitely calling coolest thing here.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's been 8 colors.
It's been, yeah. Not doing super great. But it looks perfect.
But at the same time your mom had a Z, your dad had this.
Yeah, so my mom had the I think it was 240Z.
Right.
Not a 280, yeah, 240Z. And my dad was driving one of these. We had the first one, the 84.5. Because they think they ran 84.5, 85, 86. I don't know about 87. I've been across the country, me, my sister, my mom and dad, across the country in one of these.
In this?
Yes.
You've always been 6 feet tall, and you were in the back seat of this thing.
Car guy, didn't care.
Oh, okay. Supra. One of these just sold for what now? What are they up to? $772,000.
You buy an Island or something.
You buy an Island, or you can buy a Supra. And another Kona. Oh my God, Rob, how did you call that this was going to happen? I'm not saying I have a problem with him or anything. I didn't see it going that way. Okay, you guys, we have to talk about this. Do you see these little yellow things on the front splitters? Okay, those are there to protect them during shipping. Okay, Dodge says take them off, and I don't know why, but Dodge people leave them on a lot, and I don't get it. Which is why it makes Dodge frustrated enough that this year they're making them pink. So just if you guys ever see those yellow things, that's not an effect. Those are there for shipping, and you're supposed to take them off. I'm not usually a trash talker in my car channel because I don't want to yuck somebody else's yum. But that's not a yum. That's just yuck. You know, one of these, why not? I will admit that idle has a very pleasant sound, does it not? This is one of the ones you want an EV, right?
Yes. I think it'd be a cool conversion.
That would be a good electric conversion. No, you're good. It's a car show, man. I'm in your way, not the other way around. Oh, but it's just so gorgeous. Holy crap indeed, sir. You guys, this is why I love lowriders. Look at all of the work. Look at all of the love. Oh.
You're talking $1,000.
Look at the detail in the paint. Good God. Like, unable to back up far enough because I'm like in the road. Oh. Lowriders anyway just make me, but this is a particularly prime example. Good God. Plate. Man. I'm good, honey. How are you? So clean. There was a really great turnout at the show today, and we have seen all of the things, and it's time to go. So if this is your first time on the channel, thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing right over here. Here's some other things I think you'll enjoy right down here. My name is Katherine. This is Car Stuff with Katherine. Please remember to like, subscribe, and smile.